Hi there, I'm Mark from Camping Secrets, and today we've got a really exciting piece of outdoor clothing to review for you. It's a heated USB powered vest or waistcoat, and basically it's got a heating element inside which can keep you warm even if it's getting chilly outside. Watch on for our full review. So here is the Roeam heated waistcoat. So it's made of a neoprene material, a bit like a wetsuit, but what's cool about it is it has a heating element inside. It's got 5 in total, one around the front pocket area, another on the left hand side pocket area, so there's 2 pockets on this coat, and then on the back there's one large element on the back sort of dorsal area, and then 2 more smaller waist height heating elements. Now inside the waistcoat it's got a nice sort of velvety touch to it, which is very smooth and invites you to put it on, to be honest. As I mentioned, there's 2 pockets, and in one of these pockets there's a standard USB connection. Now the Roeam does not come with a power pack, so it arrived in the post and there's no power pack included. And at first I thought that's a bit of a swizz, surely they could have included the battery power pack. But in retrospect, I think it's an inspired choice. A, it means it's cheaper to buy. This retails for around £23.99 in the UK at the moment. But by not giving you the power pack, it gives you the opportunity to choose your own, one that fits in the pocket. They are quite small pockets on this jacket, so you need a USB power pack that will fit in there. But also, if there's some sizing issues, if for some reason you get the wrong size and you need to send it back, you don't have to send a power pack in the post. And so from that point of view, I think it makes sense to buy your own power pack. So if we put on the Roeam jacket, now you don't buy this thing for style, it's a functional piece of equipment, and I'm not going to look like a catwalk model with it on. But you can see here we've got this little button here, and this is what activates the power pack. So I zip it up. Now this is an XL size. Now I'm 6'3" tall, which is about 1.95 m, and I weigh about 15.5 stone. So that's around 200 pounds, I think, or 90 kilos. And the XL is a little tight. I mean, it goes over this little fleece top I've got on. I would probably have gone a size higher, but the thing is, you're probably going to wear a coat on top of this. So tight fitting is best, and then you get the maximum heat through. As I said, the pockets are small, and you really need to identify a power pack which will fit in this little waist pocket here. So I recommend this Anchor power pack. Anchor supply predominantly to Amazon, and this is a 10,000 milliamp hour battery, which is about 10 watts consumption. So if I plug that in here, and this is the perfect size, and I'll give you the link below, it's the perfect size to fit into the pocket. So if I hook it up, we glow red, blue, this is the startup procedure. Slide it in, all done. And then to start up the jacket, heating, you just hold it down and it should turn red. It's gone red. There's 3 modes of power on this jacket. Red means it heats up to roughly 65 degrees. Blue is 55 and white is 45. And what you find is if you start it on the red, it reaches a steady state and then switches to the white automatically. And then if you want to boost it again, you can press it and get it back on the red. And already I'm feeling the heat coming through, sort of in this area predominantly and on the back. When it's heating, it does intermittently fade out and back on to show that it's operating. I think this is great if you're out fishing or doing any outdoor stuff where you're sedentary. If you're running around, you probably don't need this, but if you're sat out drinking whiskey or wine with your friends around the campfire, yeah, your front might be hot from a campfire, but your back isn't, and this really, now it's just giving some nice heat. And this is totally safe. It's a 5-volt source, 2 amps maximum current, so as I say, 10 watts. It's not going to catch on fire or anything crazy like that. Just provides steady heat through the element into your body. And that's getting really toasty now. That's great. There's a lot of these vests on the market ranging from £100 down to £15. The Roeam is at the lower end of the market, £23 as I said, and I think it's great for what it does. As long as you're not looking for something that looks at the height of fashion, with a coat on top, no one's going to see it. It's a functional piece of equipment and it provides great warmth. And on the lowest setting, this little battery pack will last around 8 hours. 8 hours of heat with this jacket, and I don't think anyone's going to be sat outside for that sort of time unless they're on a marathon drinking session. One of the good things with this waistcoat is it makes you look like Bennett out of the Commando film with Arnold Schwarzenegger. So that's what I'm going to bear in mind, and I might have to grow a little moustache to really look the part. Anyway, that's the Roeam heated USB jacket. We're fans of it. If you look down below, we'll have a link to the power pack and the jacket, and we highly recommend it. So thanks for watching. Cheers.